Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I would like to show you the way how to get the percentage level of your battery so that you'll know the level of your battery is. So if you can see now, my battery here is blank. There is no percentage level information, so I have no idea how many percent my battery is now. So if you want to get this percentage information, go open your settings and right after that, go scrolling down until you found the battery. Now just need to click them. And right after that, you in the top side there will be an options battery percentage. So you just need to click and turn on the button. And there will be shown here the level of your battery right now. So my battery now is on the 58%. Means that it's still safe and have like a bit longer time to charge. So that is the way guys how to get a percentage level of your battery on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.